Thank you. Here on the Log Flume at Gulliver's World in Warrington. I do like how you start off through the trees here. All the little props at the side and the nice buildings as well. It is a permanent installation here. A lot of the time you see like travelling flumes, but this is a permanent one that they've got here. So we've got this little hole there. Obviously the boat that was in front has to make sure it clears the drop area before we go and attach onto the lift hill. So you just got to remain seated here. You have got the signage down the right hand side, just letting you know that there may be a delay before the boat moves. You'll be moving momentarily. Nice music. Off we go. Tight. Pretty well there. There's the hippo. Yeah, it's only a small drop, obviously just to get the little ones used to it, but pretty well there. And there we go, back to the station, just one drop. What a good fun ride, especially for the little ones, getting them used to flume rides. And of course, thanks for joining me for another POV here on Theme Park Worldwide.